Hey, it's Mike here, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Westcott So Cool Temp Glue Gun. Now, I was given this from the company to review. This is a glue gun that's designed so that it says ideal for crafts, home, and school projects. Extra glue storage, non-stick nozzle, silicone, stays cool. Ergonomic handle, suitable for smaller hands, on and off switch. Low temperature glue bonds in 20 seconds. So it's designed to work at a lower temperature. If that's something that you're looking for in a glue gun, this might be something that would be good for you. Then check this out.